Hello, and thank you for pushing play on this short video. My name is Jennifer Jordan. I teach at Kwansei Gakuin University in Japan, and I am a PhD student at Cardiff University. Today, I'm talking a little bit about my PhD research. My area of interest is formulaic language, specifically lexical phrases in learner corpora. We know that formulaic language is ubiquitous in L1 language. We also know through CIA-based studies that it causes a lot of problems for learners. A few 2-point lexical or longitudinal studies indicate that there's movement towards L1-like use. However, patterns of development in the very few dense longitudinal studies that exist indicate a complex interaction between time and lexical bundle use. Today, I'll be speaking about the results of one research question. How did the number and range of lexical phrases develop in a longitudinal learner corpus? Lexical phrases here have been divided into signposting phrases and discourse marking phrases. This study uses 5 corpora collected over 2 years of learner study in an English for academic purposes program at a university in Japan. NGP, in-gram processor, and substring were used to consolidate 3+ grams, which were then manually labeled as signposting or discourse marking phrases. As you can see from the graphs and the results, phrase density and TTR, or type token ratio, increased over time. However, there's a more complex interaction when it comes to the kinds of phrases that were used. The interaction with genre and topic is perhaps most interesting. Corpus 1, 2, and 3 are similar genres on increasingly demanding topics. Corpus 4 and 5 change to the more complex problem solution genre. Chen 2018 found that learners' essays were more densely populated with lexical bundles when the topic was more complex. These results seem to support her findings, particularly with regard to signposting phrases. Learners used fewer signposting phrases in Corpus 3, their 3rd attempt at the genre, and signposting phrases increased in Corpus 4 and decreased again in Corpus 5. It seems to be that as learners feel more comfortable with the topic or the genre, they feel less reliant on those signposting phrases. This was explored in more detail in later sections of my thesis. Thank you. Below is a QR code to my reference page.